Hey there, future public speaking chance. Welcome to the video or Speaker Pro, the video where I teach you how to master the art of oratory and woo your audience through your words. I'm your guide to the realm of oratory excellence, and today we're tackling a universal fear, stage fright. Yes, that dreaded feeling of anxiety, nervousness, and panic that grips you before you step on the stage. But don't worry, because I have some good news for you. Stage fright is not a curse, but it's a blessing. That's right, you heard me. Stage fright is actually the sign that you care about your speech and your audience. It's a natural response that can be harnessed to your advantage. How? Well, you can just stick along, because by the end of this video, you'll be craving the spotlight. Embrace the butterflies. The first step to overcoming stage fright is to embrace the butterflies. You know those fluttery sensations in your stomach that make you feel like you are going to throw up, but guess what? They are not your enemies, they are your friends. They are just preparing you for a dance party. That's right, those butterflies are actually adrenaline, a hormone that boosts your energy, alertness, and performance. So instead of trying to suppress them, welcome them. Make them your dance partners on this epic speaking journey. Think of them as a sign that you are excited, not scared, and use that excitement to fuel your passion and enthusiasm for your topic. Trust me, your audience will feel it too. The mirror, your best friend. The second step to overcoming stage fright is to make the mirror your best friend. Yes, I'm talking about a shiny thing that reflects your image. Why? Because the mirror is a great tool to practice your speech, your body language, and your facial expression. You see, when you practice in front of the mirror, you'll get to see yourself as your audience will see you. You get to observe your strengths and weaknesses and improve them accordingly. For example, you can check if you are making enough eye contact, if you are smiling enough, or if you are using enough gestures, if you are speaking clearly and confidently, and so on. You can also use the mirror to boost your self-confidence. How? By giving yourself some positive affirmation. Tell how awesome you are, how well you know your topic, and how much your audience will love you, and how much fun you'll have on the stage. Believe me, the mirror can be your best ally in overcoming stage fright. Awkwardness is your superpower. The third step to overcoming stage fright is to embrace the awkward. Yes, you heard me right. Embrace the awkward. Why? Because awkwardness is inevitable. No matter how well you prepare, no matter how experienced you are, no matter how flawless you think your speech is, something will go wrong. Maybe you'll forget a word, maybe you'll stumble on a sentence, maybe you'll drop your notes, maybe you'll get a heckler, maybe you'll get a technical glitch, maybe you'll get a sneak attack. The point is, things will happen, and when they do, you have two choices. You can either let them ruin your speech, or you can turn them into your superpower. How? By embracing them, by acknowledging them, by laughing at them, by making them a part of your speech. Think of it as your secret oratory weapon. When you embrace the awkward, you show your audience that you are human, that you are relatable, that you're authentic. You make them laugh with you, not at you, and laughter is the best remedy for any awkward situation. Remember, awkward is not a flaw, it's a feature. Use it to your advantage. Practice, practice, practice. The fourth step to overcoming stage fright is to practice, practice, practice. Yes, I know you've heard this a million times, but it's true. Practice is the golden ticket to oratory mastery. Why? Because practice makes perfect, or at least close to perfect. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll be with your speech, the more confident you'll be on the stage, and the more impressive you'll be to your audience. But how do you practice effectively? Well, there are three ingredients. They are repetition, feedback, and simulation. Let's start with the repetition part. Repetition is the mother of skill. You need to rehearse your speech over and over again until you know it by heart. But don't just memorize it. Understand it. Know the main points, the transitions, the examples, the jokes, the stories, the everything. The second ingredient is feedback. Feedback is the food of champions. You need to get feedback on your speech from yourself and from others. Record, watch, listen, evaluate, and improve. The third ingredient is simulation. Simulation is the father of reality. You need to simulate the actual speaking situation as much as possible. Replicate, anticipate, prepare, and hope. So there you have, folks, the three ingredients of effective speech practice. Repetition, feedback, and simulation. Follow them and you will be ready to walk on the stage. Connect with your audience now. The grand finale, the fifth and the final step to overcoming stage fright is to connect with your audience. Why? Because your audience is the reason why you're speaking. They are the one who came to listen to learn from you, to be inspired by you. They are not your enemies, they are your friends. They are not here to judge you, they are here to support you. They are not here to make you nervous, they are here to make you kind. So how do you connect with them? There are many ways, but there are some the effective one. First, engage with them. Don't just talk at them, talk with them. Ask them questions, invite them to participate, get them involved, make them feel like they are a part of your speech, not just passive spectators. Second, make eye contact with them. Don't just look at the wall, the ceiling, the floor, or your words. Look at them in the eyes. Make them feel like you're talking to them personally. Make them feel like you care about them individually. Third, sprinkle in some relatable stories. Don't just bombard with them with facts, figures, and statistics. Tell them some stories, anecdotes, examples, or metaphors. Make them feel like they can be relatable to you, to a topic, to a message. Make them feel like you understand them, their needs, their problems, their aspiration. Remember, it's not just a speech, it's a conversation between you and your audience, a conversation that can change your lives and yours. Connect with them and they'll connect with you. In conclusion, there you have it folks, 5 steps to transform your fear of public speaking into an irresistible craving for the spotlight. So you have to learn how to embrace the butterflies, make them really your best friend, embrace the awkward, practice, and connect with your audience. Now, all you need to do is apply these steps and you'll be speaking like a pro in no time. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and upcoming new videos.